Hi, and welcome to this presentation on TESLAWeb, which allows you to quickly and easily view your load forecasting over the internet. I'm just going to log in and take you straight to the model page. Here you can see that I've selected a French model, and this is displaying the upcoming day. I can page back and have a look at the previous day. Here the red line is the observed load and the blue line is the load forecast. Paging through the days is very easy, simply by clicking forward and back on the date or by clicking on the calendar itself. You can quickly go back to the current day. You can also view the next few days in the future. I'll just go back to the single day view, and we also can see what the load forecasts look like when it was produced at a point back in time. If I go back and show the forecast that was produced yesterday at 9 AM, you can see here that's shown in yellow, overlaid on top of the blue forecast, which is the most current. I can also bring up a table view of these figures. So here we can see the date and time, the forecast that we've produced, any observed actual load, and the difference between the forecast and actual. Here, because we're showing the forecast produced back in the past, that is showing that here. And this forecast delta is the difference between the previous forecast and the most current forecast. We can also see here the 5 weather stations associated with the French model. If I want to see all the weather variables involved, I can click on the full weather button down here, and then I can select the weather station I'm interested in. And you can see here it updates the column names showing the weather variables involved, which is wind, wind direction, rain, temperature, humidity, and cloud. Switching back to the graph view again. The other page that is very useful is the temperature steps page. And what this does is show the effect that an increase or decrease in temperature will have on the load forecast. As you can see here, the red line shows what would happen if the temperature was 3 degrees warmer than the green line, which is the baseline forecast, and the blue line shows what it will look like if the temperature was 3 degrees cooler. If I click on variable y-axis, this will make it more pronounced. And I can also display further temperature steps at the same time. And again, I can expand this out to have a look at the upcoming week if I wish. The other page of interest is the settings page. This allows you to adjust your date and time formats, the number of decimal places you'd like to see, whether you want to separate the thousands with a comma, full stop, or a space. You can also change your password, and you can set up TESLAWeb so that it automatically refreshes to show you the most current load forecast. The final setting simply allows you to toggle on and off the forecast delta column. The other page that is very useful is the help page, which allows you to very quickly and easily bring up information on how to use the TESLAWeb product.